This video is for people who are trying to refurbish or repair a Ninja 500 and want to know what's going on with, or how the front fairing and the headlight is supposed to be assembled together. So the headlight is has clips and stuff like that, but the headlight is mounted here, and down here and here, and inside the fairing there's supposed to be 4 clip-on nuts, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom here. But one of the Ninja 500s I have only has the 2 top ones, and apparently the 2 bottom mounts are broken, and also the right bottom mount on the actual headlight bucket is broken. So breaking into this video with this video, also there's supposed to be like a rubber protective cover that goes behind the light bulb, whereas this one, the light bulb protective cover rubber thing, is not there. Yeah, when you buy a Ninja 500, I think it's like 93 to 2004 or something, or 2008, they're all the same. So this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what the headlight's supposed to look like, and that's what it's not supposed to look like. Hope that helps somebody later.